In this problem, we solve an equation that's quadratic in form. We'd like to find all real solutions, if any, to the equation x to the fourth minus 3x squared minus 4 equals 0. We're going to start by noting that x to the fourth can be rewritten as x squared quantity squared. And then we'll have minus 3x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. If we do a substitution and let u equal x squared, we can rewrite this equation as u squared minus 3u minus 4 is equal to 0. We recognize this as a quadratic equation that's in standard form. We can go ahead and try factoring this to solve the equation. And we can factor as u minus 4 times u plus 1, and that's equal to 0. Using the zero product property, we'll set each of these factors equal to 0 and solve. So we'll have u minus 4 is equal to 0, or u plus 1 is equal to 0. Solve this first equation by adding 4 to both sides, because this u is equal to 4. And here we'll subtract 1 from both sides, get u is equal to negative 1. Now, the original equation was in terms of x. Right now we've just solved for u. We need to go back in terms of x, noting that we said u is equal to x squared. So what we really have is x squared is equal to 4, and x squared is equal to negative 1, and we need to solve these two equations for x. To solve x squared equals 4, we can take the square root of both sides. Remember, we need plus or minus the square root of 4, so that gives us plus or minus 2. When we solve x squared equal negative 1, we note that there is no real number that we can square and get a negative, so this has no real solution. Therefore, the solution set for our equation is just the set negative 2, comma 2.